How to pin messages in Messenger. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to pin messages in Messenger. Pinning a message means highlighting it for easy access later. It's like creating a digital sticky note to quickly find important information or frequently referenced messages within a chat. So to pin messages in Messenger, first open the Messenger app on your phone. Navigate to the chat where the message you want to pin is located. Find the message you want to save for easy access and tap and hold on it for a few seconds. A menu will pop up with various options. Look for Pin and tap on it. Once you've pinned a message, you'll see two things. A small pin icon will appear just above the pinned message. At the bottom of the conversation, you'll see a message stating, "You pinned a message, see all." Tap on See All at the bottom of the conversation. This will open a dedicated section showcasing all your pinned messages from that specific chat. If the pinned messages feature does not appear for you, this is because with the latest update to Messenger, end-to-end encryption is now the default setting for conversations. This improves privacy, but also limits some features, including message pinning. That's it! By following these steps, you now know how to pin messages in Messenger. This is a fantastic way to keep important information or special messages readily accessible. And this is how to pin messages in Messenger. If you have any questions about pinning messages in Messenger, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.